Welcome back to the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video is system test. This is 64. So, we got the FCI MS2, got my new wheel-lock speaker strobe, and we got my wheel-lock remote chime. This is on remote strobe, that's on remote chime, obviously. So before I pull the alarm, first of all, don't pull fire alarms in real buildings. And don't watch if you have epilepsy, because this is actually flashing faster than 1 per second or 60 per minute. So, you know, LSM strobes. So, let's do this thing. Hopefully it works, because I haven't tested in like a week. All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, I need to pull this so I can get the thumbnail, you know? What? That little thing. Whoops. Alright, and let's do the smoke detector. Alright, thumbnail time. I forgot to get my thumbnail picture. Let me go back. Alright, so we silence the system. We set it. Alright, pulsation's good. I think this pulsation will stay for the next video, by the way. Alright, so, but as for this video, I think that's everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next video, which should be soon. Bye.